I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lovebug on guitar. First, you will need to place a capo on the 4th fret of your guitar. This helps match the original song's key and makes the chords much easier to play. We will focus on 4 simple open chords: G, C, a minor, and F. These are common chords, perfect for beginners. Let's dive into forming these essential chords. For G major, place your middle finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, ring finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. For C major, use your ring finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and index finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. A minor uses your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and index finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. The F chord can be a challenge, so try a simplified version if needed. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple and effective pattern for Lovebug is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand loose and consistent. Focus on a steady tempo as you switch between the chords. You can also try emphasizing the first down strum of each measure. Remember, listening to the original song will greatly help you capture the correct feel and timing. To master Lovebug, begin by practicing your chord transitions very slowly, ensuring each note rings clearly. Once comfortable, introduce the strumming pattern still at a relaxed tempo. Gradually increase your speed, aiming for a smooth and seamless flow between chords and strums. Don't forget to sing along. This helps with timing and makes playing more enjoyable. With consistent practice, you will be playing this catchy tune in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.